Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this set of 5 artificial potted plants. Absolutely love artificial plants because I don't have to take care of them and they look beautiful year round. Now these are little mini ones. They're super cute. They're about 7 inches tall. Of course, some of them are a little different, which makes it great because of all the versatility of the different leaves and sizes. And you have these nice little stone containers here. You've got 3 of them that are cylinder and then 2 that are little circular ones. I'm going to take you in here close so we can take a look at these cute little plants. So here these are up close. So you've got a little color variation on all of the little leaves, which really adds that realistic look to the actual little plants here. And with them being just green, it just really brings that outside look in. Now when you first get them, they are a little condensed down. All you've got to do is just kind of move the little leaves around, kind of bring it up back to life, make it look nice and realistic. These are good thick ones, like I can pull on them. These little pieces aren't coming out, so it's nice and lush. These are beautiful little plants to have out for any room.